Hi guys, I'm gonna start this vlog very late because I woke up late today and we just got done eating at Outback Steakhouse. It was supposed to be for my sister's birthday, but it was a total fail. But anyway, I'm gonna check out Ulta since Ulta is like right here, and Bell. I'm gonna go check it out because when we were in Tyson's Galleria, I was spraying some perfume from Chanel, and the Mademoiselle was very I like the scent of it, so I'm gonna try and look for the one in here in Bell if they have in stock in Bell. And because I forgot like how much was the price of it, I feel like it was $85 for a whole, like a big one, so I don't know yet. But yeah, we just got done eating. I had a steak, filet mignon with fries on the side, and also some shrimp, coconut fried shrimp, and then mac and cheese. But anyway, let's go to the Belk, and I'm gonna let you guys come with me so we have a vlog for a whole week. Okay, Ulta, here I come. Woohoo! Guys, so this is like my favorite. That this is the foundation that I'm wearing right now. My shade is soft tan. That I should get the 310 or 330 because I'm still a little bit tan. So what I should get is the toffee. And the elf has the new collection, which is the watermelon collection, I think, jelly pop. This is the dew primer, and they have some stipple brush. Oh my god, I have this primer. I have BH cosmetic brushes right here in Ulta, and their eyeshadows, blushes, and highlighters. Tarte is having a 30% off, 1 week only. Anastasia actually released a new foundation, and it's luminous foundation. I have not really all, but like I have 4 shades of their blushes, and I have one bronzer that's the shade name is Tawny. Hi guys, so I didn't really vlog a lot inside Ulta because there's so many people over there, and it's awkward for me to vlog by myself. But anyway, I got 2 things over there. I don't know if you guys remember the other last vlog, but I was smelling this Copari deodorant right here, and it smells really smells very fresh, and it smells really good. And this is a deodorant, and I heard a lot of good things about this because this deodorant is sans aluminum free, vegan, paraben free. So this is really a good deodorant, so I'm really excited to try it out. And I also got this is $14, I believe. It's $14 for the deodorant. And then I also got, since I'm out with my, what's the name of that toner for my nighttime, like the blue one, I forgot the name, shoot, Ola Henriksen toner, like the blue one. I'm out with that one, and it's really good, and it's kind of like an expensive side. So what I got here is Mario Badescu skincare cucumber cleansing lotion, and this is for like oily skin, and I paid $15 for this one. Yeah, $15. So overall it's like $30. So yeah, that's the only thing I got from Ulta because I don't want to buy makeup since I'm trying to get rid of makeup. I still have a lot of makeup, but I'm like trying to, because I needed a toner for my skincare. And my husband's Aunt Judy, thank you so much. She gave me this Urban Decay Naked palette, and it's reloaded. I'm gonna show it to you guys. Let's see. This was supposed to be for her Christmas gift for me, but we just seen each other earlier because we had the family dinner. So yeah, this is from Urban Decay right there, and the packaging is really soft, And I don't know how much you paid for this, but yeah. Oh my god, look at those colors. Look at those colors. I like the packaging. Yeah, that's how it looks like. It's so cute. Don't mind my crusty ass nails. So anyways, let's head to Belt, because Belt is right beside Ulta. They don't have the Chanel perfume over there, but I was spraying the whatchamacallit, I was smelling the Giorgio Armani. It's like $52 like for the big bottle, and it smells really good. But I want to smell the Chanel again, just so I have options. So anyway guys, let's head to Belk.
Day 4.
Hey guys, good morning. So this is gonna be a continuation vlog from when I went to Ulta. So today is Friday and I'm off today, and I really don't go out in my day off, like in the first day of my day off, because I have a lot of stuff to do. Like I'll wash the clothes, I'll make sure that the bed is made, and then yeah, clean. Oh, literally just got done cleaning or making the bed. So this is our bed right there. So anyways, I'm gonna wash this right here, loads of clothes. So I'm gonna wash this one because I need to wash them. Because here's the thing, every like if I have my day off, like Friday is my day off, I normally, this is like my cleaning day. So I clean, cook, make sure that, you know, make a list for the grocery store that I may pick later on this afternoon or tonight. And also I spray this Glade spray right there. This is the lavender and peach blossom, and I got it from Walmart for like 99 cents or like $1, and it's really cheap and it smells really good. Right here I have one in the room, I have one in the bathroom, I also have one in my studio room, different scent. And sometimes I put a candle here and just let it just light it up. But anyway, let me try to, I'm also gonna vacuum guys, because in our room we have a carpet, and then this little thing right here trying to shed. Like my hair like is everywhere. I feel like I shed more than a dog, because my hair is just like, I don't know, they grow so fast too. I feel like it's the shampoo and the conditioner that I use. But anyway, I'm gonna try to vacuum and get all my hair, and then I'll update you guys in a little bit. And guys, I already vacuumed the carpet. It's better than earlier, and it's clean too. And I gotta put this outside. This is our trash from the studio, and then here I just grabbed the trash that we got and I put it right here in the trash bag. Hi guys, so magtatagalog na lang ako. May papakita pala ako sa inyo na bag. Nandiyan siya, oh. Yun siya. Oh my god, excited na talaga. Kasi yung kaibigan ko, binili niya to para sa, hindi naman para sa akin. Ano ako sa kanya ng pera, tapos binili niya sa akin. Ano siya guys, vintage siya na Fendi bag. Ito siya, oh. Ito yung first na ano ko guys. Ito yung first na Fendi bag. Yan siya. Ang ganda niya, besh. Ano to siya? Xoxo print. Ata yung Xoxo print shoulder bag. Yun yung pangalan niya. At may papakita din ako sa inyo yung bagong bag din from Michael Kors. May binili din ako na ano. Mga 1 month na to sa akin. Mga 1 or 2 months na. Pero hindi ko lang siya napakita sa vlog. Ito yung Michael Kors. Supposedly, ito yung parang belt bag, pero hindi ko siya gagamitin na belt bag. Kasi yung ano niya, sling niya, para siyang pwedeng shoulder ba, pang ano lang, pang everyday. Kasi malalagay mo yung phone dito, like talaga yung phone mo dyan. Tapos susi at yung, you know, yung LV ko na card holder, yun lang naman, pang everyday. Pag pupunta ng grocery or ganun. But anyway, ito yun guys, $60 something yung original price, pero nakuha ko to siya ng $24 ata. Yeah, $24. Teka lang, uusog ako kasi parang, ayan. Hi guys, kakatapos ko lang mag-film ng video. And excited talaga ako sa video na to kasi first time ko siya na i-film. Pero, yan na. Ano na ako guys, mag-vacuum ako sa, ang tawag dito, sa office ni husband. Tapos, / studio room ko. Kasi ano siya, malikabok na. So, mag-vacuum lang ako. Tas, parang i-edit ko na tong video. Kasi na, parang mahaba-haba ata na yung video. So, ayoko namang mahabang vlog. At, yeah, wala naman akong gagawin mamaya. Kundi, mag-watch lang kami ng movie. At, yan na, kasi ito yung, time namin ng asawa ko. So, yan na guys. Tapos, natupi ko na din yung mga puti, tapos mga decolor. Yung iba kasi hinahanger ko siya. Tapos mga uniform ko, planchado na lahat. So, wala na guys. Grabing napaka-productive ngayon. Kasi hindi na ako lalabas kasi mga 6 o'clock na. So, yan na guys. I-end ko ng vlog dito kasi wala naman akong gagawin. 'Di ba? So, hindi naman ako lalabas. So, yan. Make sure to like this video at mag-subscribe kayo sa channel ko. And yeah, I will see you guys on my next video or vlog. Bye!